Rafique Patel and I'm the senior partner, so I'm operations and coordinating all the offices on a day-to-day basis. We're a firm of solicitors and we deal with property matters, buying and selling houses. We do a lot of family law work and a number of different areas. I think IT is a very big challenge in terms of communication. It's almost like running a hospital in terms of note keeping, record keeping, the legal consequences. So having a very good IT provider on board is very important for us in terms of tracking where we are with the case. It's very much about that customer journey. There's a lot of choice out there now, and giving them a really good experience is very important to us. Been working with Air IT coming up to 3 years now. It's a fairly new relationship, but it's a very successful one because Air IT very much listen to our feedback. If we want tweaks, we want changes, we can go to Air IT and say, actually, that doesn't work for us. We've also brought in firm-wide tickets, so those that have consequences for the entire firm should really have a higher level of priority. Air IT have listened to the feedback we have given them. They have then put those things in motion, and so we see Air IT is really an extension of ourselves in terms of delivering that service. They're very good to deal with. Air IT, for example, have a dedicated manager, and I'm able to access him virtually any time that I want. He's very good at coming back straight away. And then also we have these quarterly meetings. We've grown quite rapidly. When we started, we had 2 offices. We've then added our Birmingham office, and now we've just opened an office in Aldershot. And it's very much now about replicating those systems across all 4 offices, integrating them, the IT services and everything else. And with the confidence that we have in Air IT to do that, that shows us that actually we can bolt on a number of different offices, and it's Air IT growing with your business. So yeah, I'd recommend them.